Good morning, everybody. We're here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're going to twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. We've got a beautiful tie-dye planned for you today. We're going to take another stab at a recent failure. Always fun to do. And she's going to attempt another one. The last one didn't come out too bad, you know.
Yeah.
Shape was a little off, but I mean, the general gist was there. It was close.
Okay, let's see.
This one is a V-neck, I believe, people, isn't it?
Yes. No.
No, regular neck, I'm sorry.
Yes, but it is a women's shirt.
Yes, that's right. This is just a regular women's medium, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. She's got a heart pleated out into it.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. With any luck. We will see. Open French, nice ghost. Looks like Casper. Take the die and wreck.
Let's go. Okay.
Kabul. Got a little bit of black. We cannot remember if this is new or better black, but it's one of those two. I think it is new black, but it could be better black.
Hot pink in the middle.
Some hot pink.
Go ahead, flip it over, finish out my little
Yeah,
heart.
Just go ahead and polish it. I don't blame you. Don't blame you.
And I'll do some greens and some blues.
Some greens and some blues. I mixed you everything but turquoise. That's the only thing I still gotta mix. Is that lime pop? Yes. Lime pop.
I was about to say, I think so.
It's lime pop. I forgot to rewrite on it, but yeah, that's lime pop.
We could do Powder Puff Girls colors.
There you go. Some glacier. Oh yeah, all the neons look great together.
Bum, 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 bum. That was the Powder Puff Girls theme song.
I actually do remember that because it came on after Dexter's Laboratory.
Yeah.
That was, you know, that was more my time. That was like the tail end of my cartooning days, was Dexter's Laboratory. And what was
See, that was like just the beginning for me.
Yeah. And see, like my brothers were growing up, they had Cat Dog.
Cat Dog, yeah. Cat Dog. Lonely
Cat
in the world of a little
Dog.
cat dog.
Stupid dog, you make me look bad.
Courage the Cowardly Dog. That one used
Yeah.
to scare me.
It was creepy and freaky and weird. We loved it. We thought it was great. Our whole family used to watch it together, but it was so weird.
It was really weird. I still don't understand to this day. Apparently, I heard later on in life that apparently the show is from Courage's view.
Yeah, that's the theory that I heard
So-
too. That makes more sense too, because he was always like, "Arr." All told on this one, we have Glacier Blue, Lime Pop, Hot Pink, and Better Black.
In Powerpuff Girls colors.
Oh yeah. Supposed to be a heart.
Let's go.
To the drying rack. Top shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.